Ever wondered how crucial corn is to our daily lives? From morning cereals to evening snacks, corn finds its way into our meals, our fuel, and even our homes. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey it takes from seed to stalk? Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating process of planting corn. First things first, timing is crucial. Corn is a warm season crop, so it's best to plant it in late spring when the soil temperature is at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Waiting for the right temperature will ensure your corn germinates properly and grows strong. Next comes the selection of the right spot. Corn loves the sun, so choose a location that gets full sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. It's also important to remember that corn grows best in blocks rather than rows, as this aids in pollination. Once you've picked the perfect spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Corn thrives in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Adding organic matter or compost to your soil can improve its fertility and structure. It's also a good idea to test your soil beforehand to ensure it has the right pH and nutrient levels. Now, on to the planting. Dig a hole about 1 to 2 inches deep, place the corn seed inside, and cover it with soil. Space your corn seeds about 9 to 12 inches apart to give them room to grow. Water the area thoroughly after planting to help the seeds settle in. A fertilizer plays a key role in corn growth. Use a balanced fertilizer such as the October 10th-10 formula at planting time. Apply it again when the plants are about knee-high, and once more when they start to produce tassels. After a few days, the corn will start to sprout. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged, and watch as your corn grows from seed to stalk. Remember, patience is key. It can take 60 to 100 days for corn to reach maturity, depending on the variety. To recap, planting corn involves several key steps. Start by choosing the right time to plant, ideally in late spring when the soil is warm. Select a sunny location and prepare the soil by adding organic matter or compost. Plant the seeds 1 to 2 inches deep and space them 9 to 12 inches apart. Water thoroughly after planting and use a balanced fertilizer at planting time, when the plants are knee-high and again when they start to produce tassels. Keep the soil moist as the corn grows, and with a little patience you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest. Planting corn may seem like a daunting task, but with a little knowledge and care, it can be a rewarding experience. So the next time you bite into a juicy corn cob, you'll appreciate the journey it took from seed to stalk even more.